If I were to highlight an important trend for 2024, I would have to go with personalization. And I'll break that down into three piece parts. First, people want a choice in how they consume information. So while there are many people who are so excited to get back to having in-person events, there are also those that want the flexibility of having a hybrid event experience. Second, how are we curating multi-sensorial yet personalized experiences that show audiences that we understand them, we understand their needs, their pain points, and ultimately we're giving them something relevant and meaningful that they can actually take and put into practice in their day-to-day. Third, how are we being good stewards about the data that we collect and using that in a very purposeful, intentional, and relevant way? So those are the personalization is the biggest trend that I think if we nail that in 2024, then we are doing our jobs as event marketers.